Hey, what's up, Theta holder? This is live price predication of Theta Network. So, you watching ABS Technical channel, please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any hour, not a single day, every hour. I updating you about Theta, about any cryptocurrency. So, just click on the subscribe button. Okay, guys, come to the point. So you watching this time the live price prediction of 1 month of Theta Network. So this is the last 1 month result. You can see here in the graph is going upwards. So you can see here the jumping of Theta Network. Absolutely, they are goes down, they are goes upward. So this is good chances you can see here, and the price of, you can see here the one Theta coin price is 13.15 US dollar. This is a very big price. So this is the big price of one coin, you can see here, of Theta. But you can see here the change of this absolutely very good. 308.21%, absolutely good change. Okay, let's come to the last 1 hour of changes. Okay, oh my goodness, you can see here, and the last 1 hour change is absolutely goes down. This is very dump. You can see here minus 0.41%, absolutely very bad. But if you can see, check in here, this is just 1 US dollar as goes down. So this is not bad, but I hope they can easily cross in a few days 22 30 US dollar. If not a few days, just on 1 week or 1 month, they can easily cross a 30 US dollar. I hope they can easily cross it. So I think this is absolutely good time to you just buy cryptocurrency. Absolutely good time. Just buy it. Absolutely not a selling time. Absolutely good time. You can see here, they sometimes they can start a downward. They can check it out. They start dumping, but sometimes they can start jumping. Absolutely. So just buy it. Absolutely good time for a holder of Theta. So thanks for watching. This is live price prediction. Please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like video. Just complete 100 likes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.